Hi there and welcome back on a cold, grey and rainy autumn day. Today I would like to hang the rest of the drywall, but before I can start I think I should use the rest of the daylight and do some gardening first. This week's update will be a very short one because we had the first freezing days and now I've got to sweep the leaves from the lawn to keep the moss from taking over. After a very hot and dry summer, autumn is the busy season here in the countryside. The garden that once was rich green has turned into a brown mess. So it's time for autumn cleaning. Well, 3 sheets of drywall. That's not really what I'd call a successful Saturday, but anyway, see you all next Sunday.